In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Shopify to TikTok Shop. So in order to do that, we're gonna have to install the TikTok app on our Shopify store. So we just have to go to app settings and then go to Shopify app store. Now, after we do that, we're gonna have to search for TikTok. And then from here, we're gonna have to install this one, which is the official one from TikTok. So click on open. And then after that, we just have to log in into our TikTok business account. So this is very important. So after we do that, we're gonna be able to sync our products to our TikTok shop. So here, as you can see, I already did that. So as you can see, we have product status on TikTok, and then we have different products that are approved. So here you can see all my products, and then here we can simply choose United States. So if we go to products, we can see that these are approved, and then we can start running campaigns. So we can click on create campaign, and then from here we can simply enter all the details, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.